Hey everyone! Happy Wednesday. Welcome to some unboxing. I am Amanda, the social media coordinator here at Moms Meet, and I am with Miss Chrissy, one of our project managers. You know what we do on Wednesday.
Yeah,
so
it's taking all my willpower now.
I know I keep staring at it because I love the packaging, but I just really want it. But just to remind you guys, if you're not already a mom ambassador, you can sign up for free at momsmeet.com. All of these are group sampling programs. So if you're a mom ambassador, get onto it. So I'm going to start with this. I love it. So this is the Revolution Gelato, organic dairy-free gelato.
Wow.
Super yummy. They have orange cream, mango, majestic mango, darkest chocolate, and full throttle vanilla. I've had the vanilla. It's really yummy. So in this this group sampling program, you're going to get free product coupons to pick up the Revolution organic dairy-free gelato at the store, on top of coupons that you get to share with your group. And then the gift that you will receive is additional free product coupons, so you can get some more of this really delicious stuff. I love it. It's so yummy. It's definitely going to be a really fun program.
Oh yeah.
So what do you have on your side?
So we all love a good CAULIPOWER.
Oh yeah.
Right. So we did a sampling program with them last year for their pizza, but this time they rolled out their chicken tenders,
which I want to try so
bad. Oh my gosh. So you get a lot of goodies in this one. They are frozen. So you're going to get the free product coupons to pick up the product at the store. And then they also gave some really cool voting paddles. So there's spicy and then spicy-ish.
Okay.
So they do have a spicy line of chicken tenders. So you can vote with your group. And then the gifts are really cool. So you get a water bottle.
Awesome.
Some ramekins, which is really great for dipping sauces. You can definitely use this for your group meeting. Some lip balm. And then also, I have to dig in here because there's so much stuff.
Oh my gosh.
Some stickers. And then this awesome, how cute is this? Little drawstring bag. Isn't that really cute?
Oh my god, that is really cute.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah. So there's lots of goodies to use. Oh, and the stress ball. What mom does not need a cauliflower stress ball?
Stop. This is so fun.
I know.
I love it.
Yeah. So I need to take it home with me.
I feel that for sure.
Yeah. So this is a group sampling program. So definitely apply if you're interested in trying the chicken tenders.
And then the last thing that we have to show you for today is the Social CBD Broad Spectrum Drops. Now, I'm also very excited about this. So for this kit, you're going to get bottles of the CBD Broad Spectrum Drops, and there's a bunch. There's a bunch of different like flavors and scents. So in the varieties, they have unflavored pomegranate tea, Meyer lemon, and vanilla mint.
That's
so it's really easy to add to food, to drinks, all this, or you can just drink, take it straight from the dropper. Yeah. And then you're also gonna get coupon code cards and sample packs of the other social CBD.
Oh, that's cool. And is this a group program?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
These are all group programs. And then as a gift, you're going to receive a bottle. Oh, this is amazing. A Social CBD muscle rub and the branded tote bag. I know. I'm like, this. Yeah. So if you are interested in any of these programs, you can just go to momsmeet.com. Again, it's completely free to sign up as a mom ambassador. Thanks so much for joining us, you guys, today. Thanks so much for joining us today, you guys. It's a Wednesday. So thanks, everyone. We'll see you next week.
Bye.
Bye.